Out there, time to do another Autobot review. We're going to do Studio Series 86, the movie Ratchet, and this is the living Ratchet. Now, I will say I like all these versions of Ratchet and Ironhide have come out, and though they took away the sled, I like the gimmicks that they put in there for his transformation. I know a lot of people don't care for, and I'm not a big fan of the clear plastic, but they put in a lot of smart, I would say, handle flipping, creative little niches, you know? I would have liked, I guess, either them to stuck with the plastic or the paint, because the paint is not quite ultra white. It's more like a eggshell, so it really stands out from that white plastic. And of course, as you mess with it, it's going to chip, because that's the name of the game. Now, I don't know about anybody else's, but I do have a little problem with mine's legs at times. Do not want to stay in. Like, there's a problem with where it's slotted in. Hold on a second. So I think I put his back in there good enough that it's been behaving, but I've had issues where it did not want to behave. I did. Or what didn't I do? It hasn't been that long since I transformed you. Come on now. Okay. Yep. Just sits like it locked in. There we go. I do like the paneling. I just forgot how it does. I do. I mean, he could have a little more red on him, but he is very accurate, and I do prefer this one to the dead one, which I don't have the dead one as of yet. I like that he comes with both his little blasters from the movie. Um, Overall, he's a good, solid figure and a excellent representation of Ratchet. Would have been nice if we got his little welding tool, but I know that wasn't really the point of him in the movie. Not a lot of kibble, a lot of paneling, but not a lot of kibble. I like the dynamic, like I said, how they made his legs and feet. It's a little challenging at times to get him to release from alt mode, but otherwise, I'm happy with him. Hopefully, I'll get Ironhide when they re-release him again. I can't think of anything else to say right now about him. Otherwise, let's see how he stacks up for his. Pretty posable. He is a little chunky heavy, but if you get it just right, then he's fine. Um, I would say going forward, be careful with his ambulance lights because they are a softer plastic and sometimes like to come loose. I do like how they have little ports for each of the weapons. But yeah, 86 Ratchet.